Hello everyone. Today I have an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be exploring the complete guide on connecting to TryHackMe Labs using OpenVPN on Kali Linux. Uh, if you're ready to enhance your ethical hacking skills, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss my latest content. Now let's get started. First, we have to go to the Firefox browser, type try hack. Okay, so before we jump into the technical details, let's talk about why TryHackMe is an excellent platform for honing your skills. TryHackMe provides realistic virtual environments where you can practice your cybersecurity techniques in a safe and controlled environment. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced professionals looking to upskill. And I guess let's briefly touch on OpenVPN as well. OpenVPN, it's a widely used open source software that creates a secure point-to-point connections in a routed or bridged configuration, and it's perfect for securely connecting to TryHackMe labs. Let's get hands on. Okay, so log into your TryHackMe account and navigate to the access page for the VPN configuration. Let me show it to you how. Click here, go to the access. Now, as you can see, I'm already connected successfully. I'm connected to the network, but since I want you guys to know how to do that, let me disconnect my connection. Type sudo your file name, your Kali password, Control C twice in order to disconnect. Okay, now I'm successfully disconnected. Let me show it to you guys. Wait, let me reload the page. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm disconnected now. So let's talk about how you guys can connect into the TryHackMe labs using OpenVPN. So come here in the VPN server section. If you're from Europe, USA, or Australia, you can select these services. But since I'm not, I'll go for IN and hit download my configuration file. Go to the show in folder. Click right click on your mouse. Open terminal here. Type sudo open VPN. Your file name again .ovn. Hit enter. Your Kali password. Yeah, we are connected. Let me show it to you guys. Wait. Reload the page. Yeah, see, we are successfully connected to the network. So um, I think you guys can do that. Just follow the steps, whatever I have mentioned in the video. Just follow. And I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow hackers, and subscribe for more cybersecurity content. Thanks for watching and happy hacking.